Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olson and today we are drawing a turkey surprise. Are you ready?
Ready.
Let's do this.
Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with and using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil.
We're gonna start folding the paper in half, then we're gonna take the bottom part and fold in half again. Now we're gonna flip it over and fold one more time, and then we're gonna open it, you're gonna flip it, and we're gonna start drawing right here. Okay, little artist, today I have a very special friend. It's my son Mateo. Mateo, can you say hi?
Hi.
How old are you, Mateo?
7.
7. So we're gonna start, Mateo, with the eyes. So we're gonna start with the right side and we're gonna do a circle. And then we're gonna leave kind of like a finger space in between them, and then we're gonna do another circle. And we're gonna try these circles to be the same size. Then we're gonna leave a little circle inside for the shine of the eye. And now we're gonna color this with black, okay? Now we're gonna do the peak, and we're gonna do half a circle on the bottom of the paper. And look, Mateo, it's gonna look like this. So we're gonna do half a circle, and we're not gonna touch the eyes. We're gonna leave a space between the eye and the peak. Now we're gonna do another curve. This curve is gonna be part of that thing that hangs in the face of the turkey. So we're gonna go in the middle of the half a circle, and we're gonna go down to the left side and try to not touch the eye, okay? We're gonna leave a space in between the eye and the curve. Good. Now we're gonna do one more circle around this eye to make his eyes look even bigger. So I want to start here around the first eye I did. Now let's do another one right here around the other one. Now if you want, you can put actually eyelashes on your turkey, and I want to put eyelashes here on mine. Mateo, if you want, you can put eyelashes, or you can skip that part.
I am totally it. Because I'm a boy.
Okay, so mine is gonna be kind of like a lady turkey. Now we're gonna do a curve in between the two eyes. So here we're gonna do a curve for his head or her head. And now we're gonna do a curve in between the eye and the other part of the skin here. So now we're gonna do the last line. Is gonna come from the eye down to the paper right there. Good job. Now let's continue with this part of the skin that hangs beside his beak, and we're gonna do a letter U down here. Now let's finish the beak, and the beak is gonna come from here around, and it's gonna connect to the other side. Now let's finish the face. So the face is gonna come underneath this part we did with the letter U, and it's gonna come around the beak. Just like this, like just like here. We're gonna stop right there. Good. Now let's go on the other side, and we're gonna continue with this line, and the same thing, we're gonna stop here. We're gonna leave a space in the middle for his neck or her neck. Good. Now let's do the body, and the body is gonna be really simple. So it's gonna look like this. It goes down and around, and it goes up again.
Kind of looks like a sack, eh?
Good.
My one's like pretty big.
It's okay. I like it.
He has a little body.
And now it looks funny, right?
Like the half chick instead of the half chick, the big head turkey.
Let's do the beak, and we're gonna do a line that go across, and then it's gonna have a little smile. So it's gonna look like this, and make sure that this line goes over the folding, okay? And then it goes up, and we're gonna put a little line here for a smile. Okay, now let's put also some eyebrows on top of the eyes. And so these eyebrows are not gonna be connected to anything, but it's gonna make it look more like surprise or happy. So now we're gonna do the wings, and we are gonna do 2 letter U. So the letter U is gonna come from the neck down and come back to the body. In the other side, we're gonna go from the neck around and connect to the body. The same thing. Okay, now let's do the feathers on the back. Let's start with the 2 feathers that are close to the wings. So we're gonna do a letter U, upside down letter U, and if your letter U go behind this, we just continue in behind, imagine the line pass, and goes like this.
Yeah, that make it look
good. Perfect. Now let's do 2 more. If you have a space or room behind the wing, we're gonna do 2 more. So look, it's gonna look like this. 1, and then we're gonna do another one, 2. Good job. Now let's do the same thing in the other side. We're gonna start with the one that goes over the wing. So this one go over the wing and in behind his head.
Don't see. No.
Let's do 1 more right here. Let's go 1. And then I'm gonna do another one, 2. And the last one, if you have still room, 3. Okay, the last detail on the feathers, we're gonna put some lines. Okay, we're gonna start with this side, with the left side, and we're gonna put just 1 and 2 lines.
Oh, okay.
Just on the top. Okay, 1, 2.
You can just like put a line and go past, so you can do like double the feathers.
Yeah, good job, Mateo. So now we finally gonna open the drawing. Mateo's been waiting for this. Right, and we're gonna do the inside. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna connect this line with this line. Okay, and you are gonna go really slow. Try to push your marker against the paper, so that is gonna help. Pushing the marker against the paper is gonna help for you to go a little bit more straight, and if it moves, that's okay. If your line moves a little, that's okay. Now let's do the next line. The same thing. We're gonna connect this with this. Okay, now we are gonna connect this line with this one. Oh, you did already. Oh, you're fast.
Ta-da! Wait.
Now, we are gonna do 1 more line from this point here. Okay, join to this one. So let's go up again.
Are you
Yep.
sure?
Yep. Okay, and we're gonna do 1 more line. So we're gonna extend this peak down here. Okay, so we're gonna do a line to go across, and I think Mateo already you did it, so just wait because you already have that line done. So I'm just gonna go across over on the top of the folding part, and we're gonna do 1 more line that goes from here to here. So we're just gonna leave a space in between this one. So it's gonna look like this. We're gonna go up all the way. The last thing we're gonna do to finish our drawings is we're gonna draw a tongue. So it's gonna look like he's yelling, okay? So we're gonna leave a space. We're gonna leave a space here, and then we're gonna do kind of like a letter M. So it goes down and over.
Or you can do this.
Okay, yeah, that's it. We finished our drawing. This is our turkey. Mateo decided to make a tongue that is moving. And I decided to do mine kind of like a heart shape or like an M shape. And now my favorite part is coming in, that is
His color.
okay, little artists, we are done. Here is our turkeys, and this is how they turn out. And now we're gonna open it to see how it looks when we go like this. Yours is actually look like it's yelling. It does look like that tongue. You can actually leave this white. You don't have to color it black. You can write here a nice Thanksgiving text. Or you can color it black just like we did. So I hope you like these lessons, and I hope you enjoy with us. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, so you don't miss more lessons step by step like these ones. See you next time. Bye.